Alright, so I got this thing finally done and installed. I had an air conditioner out here at one point in time, portable one. Just a like big 5-inch hole right here. I took the sheet metal, drilled a hole, punched it out with a socket. So I got it pretty close to the size of that. You can see that this pipe is starting to discolor a little bit from the heat. I've got it on the lowest setting right now, and if we go out back, you can hear the exhaust. So I had the door open on the shop for a minute just so that it can clear out everything, because it smelled really bad at first. But I mean, it's not from the exhaust, it's from what's inside the heat exchanger. So it took about 4 minutes, 3 minutes to start, something like that. And then the fan just ran for a while, and then it started to hear the kind of clack, 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 and it didn't clack very long. And then you started to see the bar light up. I had it cranked up all the way, and even right now, like, it's too hot to put my hand that close. It's kind of strange because I'm like, well, this thing's made out of plastic right here. I don't know what kind of plastic it is, but it's obviously heat resistant.